iconic innovator Tony Anverdi had a vision to push the boundaries of what is possible. To make magic and mentalism effortless, he looked to technology that had not yet existed. Decades later, this is Anverdi's dream realized. Imagine placing 5 color pens on a table, and while your back is turned, the spectator can select any color they want. And with Color Match, you instantly know the exact color they chose before they even use it. Here I have 2 pads and I've already drawn a circle, a square, triangle, a heart, and a cloud. Randomly pick any color you want and start coloring it in. I'll do the same while looking away. You can actually pick the same color for the next shape if you want. It's completely up to you. Think about this. There's no possible way I could know what colors you used.
No.
Turn mine over. Let's see.
No way.
Let's see.
I have like no clue how that even happened. I used like the most random colors somehow. It was like every single one was right.
The Color Match system is highly customizable to fit you. Receive tactile signals, visual signals, or both at the same time. In the original Anverdi set, the secret hid in the holder. Now, it cleverly hides in the pen. You can use a glass or no glass on any table, any surface, even from a pocket. It molds to your environment. The signal strength covers a distance further than you'll ever need, so you can perform with 100% confidence in any situation. Even across a soccer field! Red!
Yes! Yeah, I'm gonna try again.
Blue!
Yes.
Do you want to see how that works?
Yeah?
It's actually the sound that the marker makes that's actually cueing me into what color it is you're using. You see, that sounds like very majestic, so I'm gonna go with purple.
No way!
Try another one. It sounds more heavy, so I'm gonna go with a passionate color like red. Is that red?
Yes!
All right.
No way!
This one is one of the toughest for me. I always confuse it yellow and green, so can you just go one more time? Oh, that's definitely green. It feels like nature, right?
Yes!
Yeah. And there's one more thing. You're not limited to markers. The secret can be hidden practically anywhere. Play it large on stage by hiding it in a paint roller or brush. Place them in small objects and perform witch hand, free will routines, or reveal flavors using organic objects. And we've barely scratched the surface. Reach inside and pull out the marker you have.
How did you like know? That was literally the coolest thing I've ever seen.
Now you can perform miracles beyond what Anverdi ever dreamt of.
Wow. I felt like my mind was being read. I'm gonna remember this for like ever.
This is Color Match by Tony Anverdi.